Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my little champion. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. This is again English video lecture for you and it's related to letter Q Qua. So let's come and meet letter Q Qua. Look here. This is letter Q. It is like a circle. Okay, capital letter called Q and its sound is Qua, Qua, Qua. So let's read with me Q, Qua. Okay, here is vocabulary word for you. Qua Q. When you will go upstairs, जब आप upstairs जाते हैं, छत पे जाते हैं खेलने के लिए, तो I always say to you, make a Q student, make a Q. So this is that Q. Qua Q, Qua quail. And the next one is Qua quailed, Qua queen. Quailed. Everybody like quailed in winter season. Okay, Qua quailed, Qua queen. Read it. And look here on next page. Here you can see some boxes are given. You have to color the boxes with picture that begin with letter Q, Qua. So first one is coil, and next yo-yo, next coil, cat, van, watch, van, key, zebra, tree, cattle. You just only that boxes with picture that begin with letter Q, Qua, and that one is coil and quill. So color it. Look here, you have to write here. First you have to trace letter Q, it like a circle. You have to trace it and then write it on the below lines. So do practice at home with the help of your mama and take care of yourself. Read this letter Q, Qua, learn its sound as well. Okay. So take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.